Utah. And I've been sitting here, as you can see, playing with the computer. It's on the steering wheel. And been here for about 7 hours. Our load isn't here yet. But we are going to New York, which is going to be fun. I sound tired, I feel tired, and I'm going to head to bed. Well, see you on the flip side. So, what are you outfitted to do?
Go exploring.
I like them. Those are pretty cool. Okay, so here's the plan. We're in Richmond, Utah. Richfield. Not Richmond. Why is this hanging here? Why is this hanging here?
That's what it does when it's not hung up, it hangs. See, now it's hung up, it's not hanging.
So, we're waiting for a load to come to relay with another driver.
Yeah.
So we're sitting. And it's the perfect opportunity.
It is.
To do what? Don't you know how to take a cue? That was your cue. It's like you've never done theater.
No, I haven't.
That was your cue. It's time.
My cue. I'm gonna go get the steel wool out and steel wool the windshield and put on Rain-X.
Are you ready to go get a shower?
Yes. I'm ready.
Are we at the beach?
We're at the beach. We're in Hawaii.
I don't think it's Hawaii. Doesn't look like Hawaii.
Just to me, it looks like Mauna Loa.
Okay.
Got palm trees. Holding that, looking at that. Just walk into something.
I hope not too. It's officially shower time.
Yay.
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 That's fine. We're going to be a little. We'll give the matter some.
Are we in the military base?
You didn't ask me if I want to be recorded.
Have fun out there.
Hey,
Did we get our deal?
wait for it.
Still waiting? Okay.
If you ever wondered what the shower is like on the road,
You
This.
ever wondered?
this is the shower.
This is a Flying J shower.
It's a Flying J shower. And
All the
it's
amenities. See, you can get your own little perforated seat.
You can
I
put it
guess
in the
that
shower.
helps gas.
No. You can
Pass easier. I'm not sure what the reason is for that.
You can put that in the shower silly. You can sit on it, shake your legs.
Oh, no.
It's a shower seat.
It's a shower seat.
And then that's not
for
a
shaving
shower
your
seat,
legs.
but
Oh, so I can finally shave my legs
Yes.
and have a shower seat.
you need to shave those hair legs.
Yeah, mine was hairy again.
And then here is the shower. So, pretty nice. I'm liking it. It's a lot of room here. We don't always get this much room.
No, this is a handicap shower, handicap access shower.
Yeah.
Usually they're much smaller.
You can
Quite
ask
cozy.
if there's two people, which there is in our case.
Are you still recording?
Yes.
Okay, I want a shower.
Okay. I better turn this off or he'll be
Please.
naked
Or,
like a second.
yeah.
So we're doing our best to keep this channel G-rated. So we have finished the shower and dressed. We're almost ready to go. This was a nice shower. Thank you, Flying J in Richfield, Utah. Very nice, very clean, very nice.
All right, you guys.
Bye-bye.
I don't know if you guys can look.
Ready? La la. On the other side. She's. Hey, we're gonna keep this G-rated in his channel.
This is PG-13. This one.
PG-13. She is so cute. You are so cute. You are so cute. When I'm walking up toward the truck and you make her dance,
Yeah.
that just cracks me up. That is so funny. Hey, you're so cute. And she's so well behaved, too, aren't you? Yep.
Yeah.
Yeah.
She's real easy to clean up after.
Yeah, she likes to lay down. Actually, we had a teacup poodle for 17 years.
17 years.
And her name was Peaches, and she was dopey colored. And when I first got her, she wasn't
What color
this
was she?
big. Dopey,
Okay.
which is black and peach,
Black and
or
tan.
black and tan.
Yeah. Doberman.
Yeah.
Markings.
But Peaches wasn't this big.
It sounded like you said dopey.
Dopey, dopey.
It's dopey.
That's because of my
yeah.
funky vocal
Yeah.
issues.
No problem. We got it covered.
But Peaches wasn't this big, was she?
When we got her?
Yeah.
No, she was half that size.
She was half that size. She could lay down. Her butt to her nose.
Yeah, she was 7 ounces.
Yeah.
At 8 weeks old.
Yeah.
Tiny little she could fit in a teacup.
Yeah, she was in teacup. And she
Thus the name teacup.
she was 4.5 pounds full grown.
Yeah.
Had
So
her,
she did a lot of growing.
she did.
She got big.
She did. She was
4.5
huge.
pounds. That's like 9 times her size at 8 weeks.
Yeah. Let's stir the pasta.
Yeah, so then she was this big. Maybe twice as big as this little.
Yeah.
Yeah, twice as big as
But
this.
I walked into Love's and I saw, I'm like walking down the aisle and I see this little purse with this little pooch in it. And I'm like walking along and then I go, stop. And I turn around because the face on this little dog, this little stuffed animal, looks so much like Peaches.
Yeah.
I mean, it was like, wow, practically spitting image,
Yeah.
except that it's white. And I had to get it.
And she's cut the same way that
Yeah, the
Peaches was cut. Yeah.
We lost Peaches
A couple
May
years
25th,
ago.
2 years ago.
Yeah. Yeah, we did.
Well, I think she went,
That was a rough day.
boy, she crossed the Rainbow Bridge.
Yeah. I think you're right.
Yeah.
Where else was she gonna go?
Yeah. But she's still right here. Big time. Big time. So, we're going to have bow tie pasta. Have it in a pot on the top of the... What's this?
Hot plate.
Hot plate. Thank you.
You're welcome.
And we're going to have it with this
That's really good sauce.
Which is-
It is super yummy sauce.
heirloom tomato pasta. And it's yummy.
Yeah, we had some a couple days ago.
Ooh,
It was just so good. The bow tie pasta is really good too.
Doesn't that smell good? It says, our sauce was designed around fine ripened red heirloom tomatoes with premium garlic, extra virgin olive oil, and fresh herbs. So, no meat, because you can't mix meat with pasta. When you think of it, which
Which we do.
it makes for better digestion, better sleep,
Yeah. Makes you feel better.
makes you feel good.
Yeah.
And you can eat like a horse,
You can gorge.
which he
and
does. Well, I wouldn't say gorge, but you can
You
eat.
can gorge.
Food.
And if it's
And
combined right,
you don't get
lost 12, I gained 10, eating the same food.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Which was great.
quite remarkable.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And when we saw that, we were like, wow, what a personal, that's a real personal testimony to
Yeah.
food combining. So,
Yeah.
so I'm going to take a nap before the truck runs.
Yeah.
Eat and sleep.
Eat and sleep.
Yes, please.
Eat, sleep, drive.
Yes, please. Eat, sleep, drive. Should we,
Sleep, drive.
we should write a book called Eat, Sleep, Drive.
Eat, sleep, drive. Eat, drive, sleep. Drive, eat, sleep. What was I gonna say?
I thought I smelled something burning.
Yeah, some burning. It's funny too. I hope it comes back. We'll see.
Okay.
Maybe it will, maybe it won't. If not, then I'll save it for another time.
Did you shave your legs?
No, I don't shave my face. I shave my face and I cut this right here.
Oh,
First time I've ever done that in my whole life.
really?
Yeah. I
You
did.
cut your Adam's
I
apple?
did. I got
What's
it.
wrong with you?
A lot of things.
I'm thinking we should put your earrings back in.
Why?
What do you think?
No.
No. How come?
Because I don't want to go through all that again.
It looks good though.
I took them all out because when we went to San Diego and due to extenuating circumstances, I went back into doing electrical construction. And in San Diego, they tend to be very conservative down there.
Very conservative.
I mean, in Oregon, it wasn't a problem at all. In San Diego, it was. And I was being discriminated against. You know, I could tell. They put when they have ads, contractors put out ads for electricians. They say no piercings, no tattoos.
Yeah.
You know, and then hair. You know, they have all these requirements, and it's like I've never seen that anywhere else in the country. I've never
Right.
been but San Diego. So I removed the earrings, so it would make it easier to get work. And I had one here, the tragus. I had my
I really like the tragus.
Yeah.
Look good on you.
and I had one here, Labret. But I took them all out, and so now the holes are closed up, and I'm not doing it again. I'm sorry.
Come on.
So, this one took 9 months. It took 9 months to heal. I would be sleeping and roll over in my sleep on this side of my face, and it hurt so
wake
bad
yourself
it
up.
would wake me up. You know, it was 9 months before I could sleep on the left side of my face without waking up from pain. So I'm not doing it. Sorry, I'm not going to do that. If I had known that before I did it, I probably wouldn't have done it. But nobody told me that. You know? Nobody told me about that. But no, I'm not.
Okay. Maybe when you're asleep, I'll slip them in.
No, I don't think I can sleep through that. This is cartilage. That's why it hurts so much, because it takes a long time to heal. There's very little, like these heal really quick. There's a lot of blood supply.
Yeah.
But this heals very slowly, and it's painful. Any cartilage piercings will do that.
Yeah. An inch of it fever.
Yeah, I don't know how people do it. They pierce this right here. Oh my God.
What? I haven't
You ever seen that? They have a barbell right here.
No.
I don't know. Anyway.
You're just a wiener.
Yeah, I guess I am.
And that's
So-
okay. You're my favorite.
didn't know they would go that fast.
fast.
I always see them going really slow. That must be like a super tractor.
I guess. That's funny.
Too bad we didn't get that on video.
I want the pasta to hurry up. Well, our relay just showed up. He's early. We're going to go ahead and switch. Jay's going to finish with the bow tie pasta and let that hot plate cool. Switch trailers. And I'm going to get a nap. So leave a comment, ask a question, certainly subscribe, and we'll see you in the next video. Till then, say bye.
Where? Bye. I'm gonna eat now. Pasta's ready. Woohoo!
Yes. And I'm stuffed. Stuffed.